Thank you all so much for stopping by today. So let me tell y'all what I'm about to do, because I'm not about to be out here all day. This is going to be probably the last effort in trying to look for a plant stand. What I realize is this plant stand can't be like the one that I recently bought because it's narrow. And so I need something, I'm thinking with some shelves on there. I've went to a couple of places and nothing has really like jumped out to me. So I'm gonna go to 2 more places, and if not, I'm just gonna look online and just have to order a plant stand. Like, I've been online looking at like the different craft stores and things like that, but we're gonna go to Ross and TJ Maxx. I think that will probably be the best. I'm trying to think, do I really know what I saw online? I was like, that's not it. So if not, I'm just going to look online. But yeah, this is the last effort. I'm only really supposed to be going to Kroger and getting 3 things, but I say, since I'm out real quick, I got my 2 apples for a snack, and we're gonna see what we're gonna find. So come on and let's get started. Okay, y'all, what do we say we coming in here for? But look what I don't know, it kind of jumped in my hands. I like it, and I'm a paper person and I like to write stuff down, so I'm gonna pick these 2 up. But I'm about to move to the home section or the plant section right now. We're not gonna start this in here today, not today, just these 2 hopefully. Okay, so not a huge garden area, so I guess we'll be moving on to TJ Maxx. They have more planters and pots. Remember, we're looking for a stand. So I'm gonna pay for these 2 items, and we're gonna keep it moving to the next store. And again, if we do not find anything, then we're just gonna go online and we're just gonna order some things or order our plant stand there. But it was worth the look in the area before I ordered. So that's pretty much it. And swim stuff, yep, that's it. So let's go to the next location. Okay, so this is one time I'm glad there was a line in there, and I was like, I'm not waiting, so I put those 2 items back. So a great day to have a line. So let's go ahead, let's go to TJ Maxx, let's see what they got and if we can find something. Okay, since they're right next door, why not? Let's go give it a shot, and then we're gonna go, that's gonna be it. Then we're just gonna do it online and search that way. So let's go here first, and then we'll go over there. Okay, so no luck in there. A lot of great things for decor if you want to dress it up, the area, but no finds. But I did remember, y'all, one more place. It's starting to rain. One more place I wanted to check too that is on the way to Kroger. So let's go into TJ Maxx really quick and let's see if we can find something. right, no luck again. It's starting to rain, so we're gonna check these last two places and then last one place, and then I'm going to the grocery store. And we're just gonna go online, y'all. Sometimes you got to do that. I really tried. I'm actually gonna come back because I have some TJ Maxx reward points that I can use and get some things without having to pay for them. So I'll come back another day. So Hobby Lobby has a section that's labeled like the spring shop. So it's a lot of garden items that they carry. As you see, they have different trellises that you can choose from, especially if you're growing like vining crops. And then they have some planters. I would consider these planters, not necessarily plant stands. And just some things to dress up the garden with so far. And then you can also, you know, like if you have a patio table or whatnot, just kind of style everything. But so far, I don't see what I'm looking for. But let me take a look. We're not gonna pick up nothing unnecessary for sure. There's no way. Okay, so they had some nice things, but nothing that just like really stood out to me. And the reason why I like to go local is because I can see like the height, the width, the diameter, all of those things versus like when you read it online. I can kind of get an idea, but it's nothing like seeing it in person. But I think that's what I'm gonna have to do, is just go online and get something, because I just didn't find what I was looking for. But they did have some nice things, some nice pots, and I really didn't realize that they sold seeds now. And so make sure you all stay tuned, and I will let you know what I got, what I ordered, because I think that's all of the places I can think of, because I don't want to put too much into it, because that's just, you know, like I've told y'all before, it's like a placeholder, it's temporary. So I don't want to just like put too much into it, but I do want to make it look nice and inviting and peaceful when I do stand or sit on the patio. So as always, thank you all so much for watching this video. Make sure you share this video with your family and your friends. And if you're not a subscriber, go ahead, tap the subscribe button, and make sure that you hit the bell so that you can receive notifications each and every time we upload a new video. Again, thank you all so much for watching. And until the next video, bye-bye.